Come over here. I already know what's going on, guys. I know you're going through it. I know you're going through it. You know, I was just like you a few years ago when I first started growing um, plants like squash, cucumbers, so forth, so on. But you know, guys, when you're dealing with powdery mildew, it could be a headache. I know you want your plants to look just like this, don't you? Huh? I know you want your plants to look just like this. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to make your plants look as beautiful as this with just baking soda. A simple household item that you know everybody have in their refrigerator. So guys, so check this out. First thing first, when you dealing with powdery mildew, you got to understand what the cause of it. What I mean by that is powdery mildew normally like an acidic environment. So for instance, it starts with your soil because you know the soil naturally is acidic, and this is what the baking soda is going to do for us. The baking soda naturally going to make the soil slightly alkaline, if that makes sense, because this here is a natural item that you could use to get rid of a lot of things in your garden, like pests, for instance. They hate baking soda. You see, they do hate baking soda. So we're going to use this baking soda. I don't want to talk too much about it. You can do your own research about it and check that video out about that baking soda. There's lots more information about baking soda when it comes to growing tomatoes, so forth, so on. But let's get back to this. Anyways, guys, when you're growing cucumbers, squash, all these kind of families, you could use baking soda with a simple spray. Here, come over here. I have a simple spray remedy. This is, by the way, this is my lab here. This is where I grow everything. This is where I start everything, and then I distribute it throughout the yard. But this is my environment. So check this out, guys. You want a spray bottle or you want any kind of bottle. I usually use something like this to mix it, but you know, somebody got me this as a gift. You know, they appreciate what I was doing and they bought me this as a gift so I could use around the garden. But anyways, you could always use this. Everybody got a gallon in their house. So okay, so look, guys, you just come over here, you put some water, all right, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Okay, this is real simple. This is real easy. Normally people use kitchen soap, like dish soap, to add to this remedy, but I don't, because what happened is after you do that, you have to respray that kitchen soap off so the plant don't end up dying, because it can end up hurting the plant or burnt the leaf off. But I usually use, let me see, a teaspoon here, right here, a teaspoon. Um, right here, 1 teaspoon, or maybe two, depending your preference, how much you're gonna spray, and then add another little bit of water. And listen, this is simple stuff, guys. This is not rocket science. You just do what you gotta do. It's not gonna hurt the plant. In fact, this is gonna help the plant become even more vibrant. Believe it or not. Look at how vibrant these plants are. Huh? Look at how healthy that is. And another thing too, guys, you don't have to wait for the plants to start looking like this. These yellow spots and powdery. You don't have to wait for the powdery mildew to start for you to start spraying your plants with some baking soda. You want to literally start doing it as soon as you can, because you don't want to wait too long. All right, so bam, this is what you do, guys. You spray here, top, bottom. You know, this is what it's all about. See that? Really simple, guys. It's really simple. Look at these cucumbers here that we have to harvest. Beautiful, beautiful cucumbers that we have to harvest, man. I've been worrying about a lot of things not harvesting, so that's not a good thing. Remember to harvest, guys. All right? And take care of your plants. Yes. So, since that being said, guys, now you have the secret uh, to get rid of powdery mildew. Nobody likes powdery mildew. I did it, but now I know how to get rid of it. And another thing too, make sure, big thing too, when it comes to powdery mildew, guys, you want to make sure that uh, you water these plants properly. You don't always want to get these leaves wet because the wetness helps the powdery mildew to start coming. So we don't want that. It's very important. All right. So again, there's a lot of reasons why these plants get these fungi, but those main reasons that I just said are the main ones that you want to look out for, because again, this is what it starts with, the soil. It starts with the soil. So guys, listen, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know how you feel about this video, if you liking it so far. Let me know what's on your mind. If you ever tried this before, let me know. All right? Because these are things that we need to share amongst our gardening world. All right? Seriously. And another thing too, guys, remember to let me know where you're from in the comments, how well your plants are doing right now. And don't forget, I'm doing free giveaway. It started raining, as you can see. This is what I go through to make these videos for you guys. I hope you guys appreciate this video. We're gonna get ready to cut it off, but anyways, these plants need airflow. That's another reason why they go through what they go through as far as powdery mildews. You want to make sure these plants get airflow. So for instance, if you see any plants that's like really stressing the plant, just clip them off. All right, clip them off at the roots. Some people say you need alcohol to make sure your plant your scissors is clean. Make sure your scissors is clean. Okay, so you clip them off. That's gonna help the plant focus more on production than anything. Okay, so we have a lot here that's actually stressing the plant. Don't feel bad, it's okay, because the plant's always gonna grow some more leaf. But what we want is the plant to produce healthy fruits for us. Right. And then another thing too, guys, don't forget to harvest the plant, because when you don't harvest, the plant gets confused and it's not good. So make sure you harvest. Okay. Same thing here. Make sure you harvest. Look at these beautiful fruits, guys. That's awesome, huh? Yes, yes, yes. I got some more here I need to harvest, as you can see. Here, let's put this in the pile. There we go, right here. That's yellow squash. Gotta make sure I don't hurt the plant, because there's a lot going on down there. It's a beautiful, beautiful yellow one. Uh-huh. Look at that, guys. And we have another one here. Look at that. Listen, this is free of charge. Take care of your plants and your plants will take care of you. Don't forget, guys, apply. I will be giving free t-shirts. I will be giving free IGTG t-shirts real soon coming up. So guys, look forward to that. Let me know in the comment if you want a t-shirt. I will send you a t-shirt. All right. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting the positive movement, because without you guys, I wouldn't be me. So guys, please, if you have a garden and you're growing, make sure you do these things, because that's the only way you're going to get these positive results. Seriously, that's the only way you're going to get these positive results, because these plants needs to breathe. Okay? And don't forget your baking soda. Don't forget your baking soda, man. All right? God bless you guys. Have a good one. I'm going to continue working out here doing me. I hope you guys go to your garden and handle business. Hurry up and apply some baking soda into these plants and take care of them, and they will love you. And do it once every week or anytime that you feel like they need it or before they need it. Just handle business. I'm out.